Let's draw with Astrodraw. Hi, I'm Yasmin and I'm here to teach you how to draw Gudetama and Shakipiyo. Let's start drawing together. First, let's draw Shakipiyo. We start by drawing a half a circle for her head and then drawing the feathers around her. Next, we'll add her smile by drawing her beak. And then her eyes. Don't forget to add arms and legs to make her look cute. Hooray! Shakipiyo's drawing is done. Now it's time to add some color. We color her head yellow. Then color the eggshell. Her beak and legs are also colored. Give red color in her mouth. And then we make her eyes black. Don't forget to add a little bit of white to her eyes to make them sparkle. Wow, you did a great job! These characters are looking more and more interesting. Next, we draw Gudetama. First, draw only the semicircle of his head. Then draw his eyes and mouth. Then draw the eggshell card. Draw the wheel of the cart. Then draw the handle of the cart. Finally, draw the wheel of the cart. Let's color Gudetama's skin in egg yolk or orange color. Then his eyes are black. And paint his teeth white. For the color of the cart, you don't need to color it because the cart is already white. Great job! You made Gudetama and Shakipiyo look even better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. See you next time.